8 useful potato hacks at home. Welcome to our channel, One Healthy Life. The topic that will be discussed today is 8 useful potato hacks at home. The importance of potatoes as a food source and cooking ingredient varies from region to region and is still changing. But do you ever wonder the other uses of potato apart from cooking? No, right? We got you covered. Potatoes are capable of cleaning to become part of a cosmetological potion, from cleaning agents and relieving pain and polishing shoes. The raw potatoes have a variety of very interesting uses. Hence, let us look at some of its uses. Hack number 8. For puffy eyes. Refrigerated potato slices serve as a great natural remedy to remove swelling under the eyes. The enzymes and astringents of these vegetables help reduce inflammation and tighten the skin. This remedy also helps remove wrinkles and dark circles around your eyes. Hack number 7. Polish the silverware. Want to clean fine silver without any chemical cleaning? Well, boil a few potatoes in water until the potatoes are tender and ready to eat. Set the potatoes aside and put the silverware in the potato water. Leave it for at least an hour. Remove the silver, wipe, and dry to remove discoloration. Before we move ahead to the topic, subscribe to our channel to not miss any updates. Hack number 6. Clean your goggles. Whether you use ski goggles, diving masks, safety glasses, or swimming goggles, potatoes help prevent fogging and dirt that can be hidden. Simply rub the fleshy edges of the raw potatoes on the lens, wipe with a clean cloth and dry, and the goggles will remain dust and fog-free. Hack number 5. Heal an ouchie. Heat the baked potatoes in the microwave for a few minutes, wrap them in a linen towel, and then apply them to your muscle aches in the same way as hot compresses and warm compresses. Does cold make you feel better? Put the tater in the freezer and do the same. Some people also swear by rubbing temples with raw potatoes and relieving headaches by using potato juice to heal bruises, insect bites, cuts, and burns. Hack number 4. Set your bouquet. Who needs florist foam when you can stabilize flowers with potatoes? Cut the spud in half lengthwise, place it on the bottom of the vase with the cut side down, and push the stem directly into the meat. Hack number 3. Remove stains and dirt. Potatoes are an excellent remedy and can be used safely in a variety of ways in the home. You can hold it in your hand to wash beets and berries or soak it in cloths such as a carpet to clean stubborn skin. If you're particularly concerned about the soil, add salt for strong cleaning. Hack number 2. Desalt your soup. Did you have a heavy hand with the salt in your latest recipe? Add a few pieces of raw and peeled potatoes and leave them to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the potato pieces and the soup is ready. Hack number 1. Remove rust. Use cut-up potatoes to remove rust from your home appliances. The acid of the potatoes helps dissolve the rust, and the skin applies scrubbing power to wipe off the rust. For difficult tasks, add soap or salt to the edges of the potatoes and scrub deeper. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like it and subscribe to the channel One Healthy Life. Please let us know your thoughts in the comment section.